I'm driving a new Ford truck. As you can see, it's very big.
For heart of the city. She's a future truck driver. Look at her going. Take it nice and easy. You're gonna park it over there at the new neighbor's lot. What you'll do is you'll not turn the corner real sharp. You'll kind of pull out and give it some room. Keep coming straight. Okay, now start turning to your right. Hard turn. All the way. Look at her go. Brand new. New to us. Heart of the city. 2017 Ford F350 4x4 heavy duty with our brand new trailer attached on the back. On Saturday, we're going to have the opportunity to take a very special photo with all of our volunteers around the truck. We can't wait. Isn't this a beautiful truck, folks? We appreciate so much United Way of Denton County and the Denton Cares Grant Program for making this possible. We feel extremely blessed. God bless you and thank you. Say goodbye, Tonya.